Do you need a small repair to extend the life of your roof? At Sherriff Goslin Roofing, we've helped our community since 1906. We'll provide a free inspection to determine whether your roof is prepared for the season. Now is the time to address minor issues before they escalate into major damage. As a family-owned business for more than 100 years, we've seen and worked on every style of roof, from residential to commercial, historic or modern, and from cedar to steel. Call or visit our website today. Sherriff Goslin Roofing, quality roofing since 1906.